Okay, people, so now it's like March, what is it, 17th, 2019. I'm actually taking videos, trying to anyway, of the hummingbirds. As you can see, the hornets are out. I just seen one flying around in here. So, it's spring now. So that means, you know what that means for me, people, right? Back is killing me for some reason. I don't know what the heck I did. And then yesterday, was out there dealing with that stuff at the little house, and I just sucked it up, right? And now I'm really feeling it. Oh my god, there's something. Oh, see, there's a hornet. Oh, anyway, hold on. Okay, this is what Sierra brings to the house, people. All the freaking time. My back is so sore. I think I heard a hummingbird. I heard him. There he is. I've been trying to catch it. I have a whole family living here. Where is it? There it is. I want to feature some of my little hummingbirds. I don't know how well this camera's working, people. Oh, man. I'm going to slow this down. Anyway. Hold on. Okay. That's the thing about these cameras. When the sun's out, it's really hard to see the screen, but they zoom in really well. But this is what I have to cope with, people. Do you see this? This bag is so heavy. All it is gravel and dirt and sand. It's what comes off the side of the road. I'm telling you, one day my daughter's going to get hit by a car. Because this is what she does, people. This is British Columbia healthcare system. This is what the BC healthcare system is all about. I can't even lift that. Like, seriously, my back is so sore right now. And then she finds things on the road, and obviously it was sitting somewhere and got all molded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash these, and then I'm going to take off. Oh, don't know if this camera's working correctly or not. Yeah, I think it's okay right now. Alright. And then, I don't need to wash, but I just want to take off. Oh no, can you see? I can't see. These things. I'll take off those. Obviously the shoes are molded. I'll take out the rhinestones. You can see there's something here with rhinestones. I think I have this other shoe in my sewing room already hanging up to take off the rhinestones. Alright. See, it comes off. And there's that again. You see that? But this is like... The rocks are nuts. She does this all the time, people. Every week. I shuck them off my balcony. You see that big black bag down there? It's full of freaking rocks. And then glass. Do you see the glass? Can you Can you see it? She brings me glass. This is dangerous for my daughter to be running around in the dark. Sick. Look at this. Okay. So it's still pretty nice in here. No matter what, people. Still pretty nice in here. Let's see what happens. There he is. There he is. I have a whole family. It's just, I don't know if this camera's working.